Rare beef slices, walnuts, baked pears. Ingredients: 1 pound boneless beef New York strip steaks, cut 3/4 inch thick. 1/8 of a teaspoon salt. 1/8 of a teaspoon black pepper, freshly ground. 1/8 of a teaspoon garlic powder. 2 red pears, firm but ripe. 1 extra virgin olive oil spray. 10 oz fresh express hearts of romaine. 6 oz spring mix. 4 oz Tresure crumbled blue cheese. 1/3 cups walnuts halves in pieces. 1/3 cups balsamic vinaigrette. Directions: season steaks on both sides with salt, pepper and garlic powder. Set aside. Heat charcoal 30 minutes until covered with a light layer of gray ash, or heat gas grill on high 10 minutes with lid closed. Meanwhile, slice whole pears lengthwise into 1/4 inch thick slices. Spray both sides with non-stick spray, season with black pepper. Grill steaks and pear slices 4 inches above medium heat, 375 degrees Fahrenheit, 5-7 minutes per side. Remove when pears are brown but still crisp, and when steaks reach an internal temperature of 140 degrees Fahrenheit to 150 degrees Fahrenheit for medium rare to medium doneness. Toss greens and cheese with dressing. Place on a platter or on individual plates. Cut pear slices lengthwise into strips, discard center seed area. Trim and discard fat from steaks. Cut steaks into thin slices. Lay steak and pear slices over salad, sprinkle evenly with walnuts. Serve immediately.